In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Wix site so you can start fresh or roll back to an earlier version. This is a quick way to undo unwanted changes and restore a clean version of your site. At the top of the screen, click on the Site menu. From the drop-down, select Site History. The Site History feature acts like a time machine for your website. It saves snapshots of your site every time you make changes, so you can go back to any previous version. Click Go to Site History, and you'll see a list of all your saved versions in chronological order, along with previews. Scroll through to find the version you want to restore. If you want a completely fresh start, choose the very first saved version at the bottom of the list. When you found the right version, click the arrow beside it, then select Restore. Wix will ask you to confirm, so click Restore again. After a moment, your site will revert to that earlier state. And that's it. Your Wix site has now been reset. You can either start building again from scratch or continue working from the restored version.